Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like half daydream half nightmare video edit on CapCut PC. So you're just going to right click copy, right click paste on your video, and you're going to select video mask and select split and split it 90 degrees, and you're just going to figure out, so this one's on the right side and this one's on the left. So for instance, you want to make like the good side the right side. You're just going to add in like fun things like these color flames or something just like colorful that you want to add to it, like maybe that one or like this rainbow haze one. I'm just going to add in like fun stuff on the like right side, maybe like some sparkles, even like some butterflies maybe. I'm just going to add these. Then I'm going to select these three, right click, create compound clip, and as you can see it's going to only show up at the right side of your videos only. And I want to make the left side very dark and gloomy, so go to adjustments here, and I'm going to turn down the saturation of the video, and then I'm going to add stuff like let's go to nature, stuff like lightning and like let's say rain, and like maybe this like smog one. I'm just going to, or like this fire one, and then I'm going to move this to the right first so I can select these, right click, create compound clip, and if I put that on top, as you can see, it creates this like half and half kind of video edit. But if you want to make it better, I'm just going to right click and undo compound clip, go back to the video and select the mask button and feather it out a little bit so it blends more with the other half, like so. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!